You can say like this. 導入にしてもらえますか？導入にしてもらえますか？ Which means, can you make it soy milk? Which means you want to put the milk to your coffee. So you can say like 導入. 導入 is mean the soy or the milk. So when you want to need some milk to your coffee, you can say 導入にしてもらえますか? So it means can you make it soy milk for you? Okay. And after you finish for drinking and you will go back home, you can say like お会計お願いします。お会計お願いします。Which means check the bill please. Or could you bring me the bill please? Something like this. 会計 is being checked and お願いします is mean please. So that means they will take the bill to you and you check that how much cost and you have to pay for the cost of the coffee. So this about and after that maybe they will say 2000円です。2000円です which means 2000 yen Japanese. 2000円です。And if you go to with your friends or you go to with more than one people, maybe they will say that 別々に払いますか？別々に払いますか？ which means you pay one by one, not pay all at once, which means you separate to pay. Mr. A pay for the cost of Mr. A, Mr. B pay for the cost of Mr. B. So they say 別々に払いますか? Or you can say 一緒でお願いします which means just pay one time. 一緒でお願いします This means just one person pay, right? Another person don't pay, so you just pay one time. So this is what you have to remember, the expression of Japanese when you go to the restaurant or you go to the coffee shop.